So basically right now we are in the areas where you would have elephants crossing the road, so would have to be a bit more cautious over here because there are wild elephants. Hello, hi, good morning. So today is the 19th day we've been cycling, and today is, just gonna check the date. Today is the 28th of January, Saturday. The time is 9 AM. So it will be a bit tough riding today as we are cycling to Tasik Banding and eventually hopefully to Jeli. I'm still in Gerik and I have prepared my things. So let's go, yeah. As you can see, the weather looks cloudy and I don't feel that today would be too much of sun. It's gonna be a tough ride, but it's gonna be in terms of temperature, weather, I think it will be a bit favorable for me. Oh, you have a convoy of motorcycles. Okay, let's continue. Don't know what are they burning. I think it's for the mosquitoes. Well, that's a very fast car indeed. big Chinese cemetery. Tanah Perkuburan Cina Greek. So Greek Chinese cemetery. I don't know if you guys can see. There you go, it's huge. It's huge. It goes up to the up to that hill. So today our job is to literally climb those mountain areas. I don't know how, but has to be done today. So Gerik is quite, I would say, a small town. I don't see much of people, I don't see much of buildings, and it's located up north here, not far from Thailand. Still a lot of kampung houses. You know, you have this village ambiance, village style area. Okay, I think we'll start climbing. Oh, you have the river. What river is this? It's a medium-sized river. Okay, let's continue. Let's climb now. Let's climb. We have some rubber plantation. But you do have like houses, then there's a lot of there's another rubber plantation behind this this building. Along this road you'll find a few houses on the side of the road. I don't think we can find any shop, it's just people's houses. So I have my things packed, you know, I have some bread with me, I have some water bottles, you know, just in case that I couldn't find any place to stop. There's a beautiful mosque over here. Okay, I took the wrong path, I have to go back. Okay, we have done 10 kilometers. There's another 30 kilometers to go to Manding Lake, where you can find Royal Belum Forest. And as you can see behind, you can see the mountain range here. So this mountain range is called, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's called Titiwangsa. I know it's Titiwangsa, but maybe I could be wrong. But we'll say 98% it is Titiwangsa mountain range here. So the road is fairly in bad condition. As you can see, there's so many patches. So to be honest, it's not really pleasant to cycle here. It's really bumpy, and then there's no space for bicycle, you know, for cyclists. If there's any trucks like this, you know, they have to move on the side because there's no space for me to cycle here. So I would say this road is quite dangerous. Yeah, that's what I can say right now. Okay, let's continue to cycle. Oh, we've been climbing up and it's just non-stop climbing. Non-stop climbing. So basically right now we are in the areas where you would have elephants crossing the road, so would have to be a bit more cautious over here because there are wild elephants living in this forest. Oh, okay. I hope I don't encounter one. If I do, I'll I'll run for my life. Yeah, no, I cycle for my life. We're gonna go uphill again. It's been climbing all the way since. Oh, it's really exhausting. It's really exhausting. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. We have some wild hibiscus here. So these are the national flower of Malaysia, the country. So, yep, has 5 petals and then have long stem. It's really like red bright. You can find all this. You can find the flower along the road. Basically, these are the wild version of the flower. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. We're climbing and climbing, but the air is very fresh here. You can hear the birds chirping. You can see monkeys, but I don't see any elephants, thankfully. A lot of trees. Okay, so this is the first downhill after more than an hour cycling. So for the past an hour we've been climbing uphill. So this is the first downhill. Yeah. I don't think it's gonna be that long. No, just a short downhill, and then we're gonna go back up because yes, we have all this to do. Yeah. Okay, so we have a convoy of motorcyclists. Let's go. Oh, it's just crazy. Okay, we're going downhill a bit. Still have another less than 20 kilometers to go. We've done 20 kilometers. Oh, I'm dead tired. Okay. So this is the surrounding. No one. That's me, myself, and I. Okay, let's continue. taking a quick rest. Oh, that is a very tall tree. One thing that I don't like about this road is it's really not good. You know, the condition is just really bad, and then it's really steep, so it makes cycling very, very hard. Even though if it's just steep, it's fine, but it's steep and it's bumpy, so you can't really cycle that well. You lose a lot of energy just cycling here. Okay, right now we're in front of the Belum Rainforest Resort. I'm just taking a quick rest over here. If we continue straight, I think there's another bridge, so let's continue. Yeah.